Is AI taking over jobs or creating the new ones? What do you think? The tech jobs, the future of job, work, is at high relevance news and career insights I would like to tell you today. So, actually, every single day there is a new headline claiming AI is about to replace coders, writers, and designers. But if you look past the media panic, the actual data tells a completely different story. AI isn't replacing people. AI actually is replacing who don't. Here is what is actually happening to the job market. The first thing, the first point, the shift from execution to direction. The fir- the first entry level repetitive tasks are disappearing, but high level oversight is booming. In software development and content creation, the technical execution phase is getting faster. Instead of spending 10 hours writing raw code or editing basic video cuts, so professionals are getting acting like directors, prompting, refining, and quality checking automated outputs. And the second is the rise of hybrid roles. The rise of hybrid skill sets. 5 years ago, suppose a graphic designer only need to design. Today, a designer who understands basic AI, workflow automation, data analysis, and user experience is 10 times more valuable than a specialist who only does one thing. Adaptability has officially become the number one survival career skill. So, what are the skills which are safe? Third, the human centric skills are skyrocketing in value. Critical thinking, complex problem solving, empathy, and high level negotiation cannot be replicated by algorithms. The most um, secure jobs moving forward are those that keep deep human trust and creative judgment. Are you using the AI tools in your daily life, the job in your daily job yet, or are you staying away from them? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and stay ahead of the tech trends. Hello friends, your company is network isn't a castle anymore, and that's why the old cyber security systems failed. Actually, there is a zero trust policy in security. Trust nothing, verify everything. So the concept behind this is the modern cyber security architectures. The traditional IT security used perimeter defense, which included firewalls and castle moat. But the zero trust assumes that the threat is already inside the network. So in that case, it requires continuously verifying the identity through intra-identity portals and strict access control and micro segmentation. So what I want to say, why the modern system uses MFA, authentication, and strict permissions and continuous authentication methods is due to this only. So stay tuned for more updates regarding this IT techniques.